excited to give you the reviews. And shout out to my mother in Bicol, Abordo. Helen Carreto, my childhood friend. Thank you for watching. To all my silent subscribers out there, to all my Facebook viewers as well. To all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Oh my gosh. Acting. Oh gosh, I just think of it. Oh my gosh. This could be one of the great movie that I have ever seen for this year. And I think this could be the best scary movie for this year.